So guys, so good morning guys. So we just tented yesterday here in this place, in this park, and you can see the beautiful sea, big sea over there, the Mediterranean. So we could actually see the sunrise in the morning. It was rising from there. We all are set right now. So we see this guys. When I'm vlogging, these guys are like breaking me, guys. So that's it. So we yesterday we were trying to get the access to the beach, but most of the beach are closed, like because of the beach clubs, everything. They have taken it for lease, I guess. So we don't have most of the beach. We don't have access. So luckily we got one access from here. This is the way which we came. You can see the car. Rian is sitting here, Renzo is here. Finally we got access. Finally we tented here, and this was the best hunting place. So we have good shower. What you're seeing now, it's a shower thing. So we could change our dress, everything is set. We had a good breakfast over here, the yogurt and the muesli and the oats. So it was good, and finally we are getting ready. We packed everything, tent, everything is packed, everything is done, and finally we are going to hit the road right now, and we'll be in Antalya very soon. And from Antalya they'll be dropping me to the bus stop, the bus station, and from there I'll be going to Cappadocia, and these guys will head to Izmir via Pamukkale, and they'll be entering Pamukkale and going to Izmir back, because tomorrow they need to give the car back to the rental agency, guys. So it's around 90 lira per day. So we rented for 1 week. Hey, say something, guys.
Hey
for my audience.
guys,
That's from Antalya.
Yeah.
desde Antalya, parceros.
Très bonne ville. Our excursion are not members.
Yeah. We are in Antalya right now. So in the traffic, it's temperature is around 30 degree, but it feels like a 50 degree right now. It's so hot over here, and we are coming from Izmir, where the temperature is around 15 or 13 degrees, and like we cannot roam around the Antalya for long, because it's packed with the traffic jam. So all downtown, it's so traffic, it's so heavy, moving a few kilometers is very daunting task. So we won't be able to see much of the Antalya. Want to say something? Soundless trip.
Hello from Antalya.
Hey Renzo.
Hey parceros, todo bien?
Okay. It's came to know.
Wow,
That's
this
it.
is perfect for the.
So guys, we reached a spot in Antalya near the beach. There is a waterfall also, and we are just walking. It seems to be a good place, like people can hang out. There are restaurant, parks, everything. You can see that it's a beautiful place. A small river which is flowing here. You can see that. As you can see that waterfall, how huge it is, and it's so milky, and it's just taking a plunge into the sea. The beautiful small river which is taking plunge into the sea. It's looking so stunning, right? The best landmark of Antalya. अरे कैसा है? कैसा है? Guys, see those mountains range. It's not so clear, but it's okay. You can see because of the mist and the water vapor. I think I am wrapping up the video, guys. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and our road trip will end here, and we are going to pack our bags, everything. We are going to depart. I'm going to Cappadocia, they're going to Izmir, and next video you can see all those things, guys. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching, and just subscribe, like, and whatever your queries is there, please do mention in the questions, guys. So I'll see you then.